Hello internet world and welcome to an unboxing video on the Geekanoids channel. Today I've got the Huawei AI Cube. This is an AI speaker with 4G router and Alexa built in. Very kindly sent out to me by 3UK to bring you this video. This is my unboxing first look. I will be doing a full review including speed test of this 4G router in a future video, and you'll find a link to that review down in the video description. You'll also find a link down there to the 3 website where you can pick this up on contract. At the time of doing this review, it's available with unlimited data for £25 per month. So let's take this out. This is obviously the AI Cube itself. We'll take a closer look at that in a short while. We have also got in here a quick start guide. This is going to guide you through getting everything up and running. And then we've also got my 3 SIM card as well, the data SIM. And then in this little extra box here, we have got most likely just the power cable. Let's take a look inside. So we have indeed got the power cable for the product. I'm in the UK, so this is a 3-pin power adapter. And then this end here goes into the AI Cube itself. And here we have it, the AI Cube. Really nice looking smart speaker first of all, but of course this is a 4G router as well. We've got the Huawei branding on the top. We've got this cloth material on the bottom. This is where the speaker is housed. And then across the top here we have got this ring light which gives us feedback as to the status of the device. We've also got mute. We've got some near field, or actually far field microphones, I think they're called, and volume up and down. There's also an additional LED light just here. And then if we look around on the back here, we've got some further status lights here. We have a signal light, a Wi-Fi light, and a LAN light. These are going to give us feedback as to the current connectivity, whether or not we've got a LAN cable connected, whether the Wi-Fi is active, and also whether we've got a 4G signal. We've got the main power on off button here, and also a link button which I'll cover in the full review. And then just underneath here on the base of the speaker we've got the input for the power supply and also an Ethernet socket. This is for either direct connecting a device to this particular router, or indeed we can use that to connect this to a wider area network. We could connect this to something like a mesh Wi-Fi system and distribute the wireless connection with another wireless system rather than relying on the Wi-Fi in here. It looks like a really nicely designed unit. I'm very keen to obviously check out the speaker functionality, but more keen on doing a speed test to see what download and upload speeds we get with 3UK in my particular area. And as I say, I'll do that in a future video review. The link will be down in the video description. If you want to check this product out for yourself, there's also links to the 3 website down in the video description too. If you've got any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.